Okay, I've got a class project for you to work with. I've given you a file called MorphCut3 to kind of start your practice with. But if you do have your own dialogue footage, I want you to experiment with that and share it. Okay, if you don't, you can just use MorphCut3. So MorphCut3 especially, there's a bit where she's answering a question.
Push ourselves, not to.
And then she gets to a point, she finishes, and then there's the interviewee asks a question. It's bad audio, it's not meant to be part of the dialogue. All the way along to when she starts talking again. Can you see? About there again. So I want you to cut that big chunk out. So it goes from when she finishes and basically doesn't break, break stride, break breath. I don't know what I meant to say there, but it flows on from here straight into this part here, missing this middle bit. See if you can get the morph cut here. I've given you one that kind of works. To see whether you can experiment it with yourself. I want you to experiment with a couple of things. I want you to experiment with the cuts where you do it, okay, to see if that, how much of an effect that makes versus how long the transition is. Go long, go short, okay, just so you get a bit of a feel for that morph cut. I'd love to hear, especially if you're working on your own footage, okay, I want to hear about your experience with the effect, like how you might have found the best results. Like it works in this case, but didn't work in this, and share it with everyone so that we can all get a little bit better at morph cut. So render your video, okay, and upload it to our assignments or projects, and also share it on social media. All right, that is the class project, morph cut. I'll see you in the next video.